Hey, it's Alana, aka Krista Kids, and yes, I am back with another freaking video.
Dice is on the beat.
So as you guys can see, I'm whispering and I look like a hot mess. I look like I just woke up because I didn't. What time is it? It is officially 3:10 in the freaking morning, and the reason why is that I'm up is because literally, okay, so if you guys haven't known, yesterday was Thanksgiving. Whoa, wait a minute, guys. Like I said that I made this video the day after Thanksgiving. What did I say? That's the day after Thanksgiving or the day of Thanksgiving, whichever. But guys, like, yes, I've been procrastinating. Don't be on my ass. Yeah. Okay, cool, whatever. I apologize for that or whatever. But your girl's back with, some videos. So yeah, I'm gonna continue editing this damn video, and I'm gonna be eating my fried chicken. So y'all stay tuned and y'all enjoy. And literally after Thanksgiving, the moment I chowed down on that food, like I think it was like around like 4 o'clock, we all ate as like, as a family and stuff. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I hope that you guys feel thankful and just really appreciate those around you and stuff, because guys, in this world that we're living in, shit, you gotta really just look at the shit that you have, you feel me? Like, you really just gotta appreciate everything that you have, because not everything you have will last forever, you feel me? I ate like around like 4 like ish, and then as soon as I got done eating out, I took my ass to sleep. Like, I literally went to sleep. I passed out. So long story short, I woke up like around like 12, and I literally woke up feeling so inspired, like so inspired to do something with my hair and stuff, because I do want to bring like all types of content for you guys and stuff. And for today's video, I am going to be attempting to try the passion twist. And the thing is, guys, I'm saying I'm attempting to try is because of the fact that I am unsure whether if I want to do the passion twist or do like dreads, basically. Not really dread up my hair and stuff. It's just like, the little fake dreads and stuff. So it's either probably gonna be a combine of both of them and stuff. And the reason why I have these ideas is because I got inspired by these 2 YouTubers named Bree Hall and stuff, which her channel and the video that I was watching will be in the description box below, and KJ Beauty, I believe that's what her name is. Both of their videos will be in the description box below, so make sure y'all check out their channels and stuff and show them that support. I'm going to be attempting to try to do the passion twist and shit, because guys, I really just want to switch up my hair and everything, because this natural and is not easy. So right now I'm starting off with like freshly washed hair, and I left my conditioner in my hair, as you guys can see, because I do want to have my hair still have its moisture. I'm gonna just comb it out because I want it to be like straight. Because the thing is that I was thinking of not even washing my hair in the first place, is because of because I wanted my hair to like have its rough, like I want it to be rough, so that way when it like grips like onto the weave, because for this method I will be using weave, and I will get into that and stuff. I just want to brush my hair first. We'll comb out my hair because I just want to, ooh. And excuse me guys if I am whispering, it's because my family is asleep. My grandma and my uncle are sleeping, and I do not want to wake them up because it is 3 a.m. in the morning and everything. And I know y'all are probably wondering, like, why would you want to do your hair now, like in the morning? It's because I think tomorrow, well, later in the day, I'm going to be very busy. Plus I'm trying to go out with some friends and stuff and also somebody that I'm really close with's birthday. And by the way, happy birthday to you, and happy birthday to everybody else if your birthday is today. It's currently November 29th, and I just want to say happy birthday to everybody that's birthdays today. So yeah, right now I'm just trying to like dry up my hair. So I'm just trying to like make it like nice and rough and like dry. I would use a blow dryer, but that shit will be too loud. I have to admit, my hair has been growing so freaking long. You guys can see like my hair is like, I would say it's like now like to like about to be to my back, so it's like right here. So for this method, what I'm going to be using, the type of hair I'm going to be using, all the stuff that I'm going to be using, I'm not going to use any, I'm not using the rubber band method. I'm going to be using this old curly wig that I have as the hair I'm going to be using. It's an old synthetic wig. I don't wear it. It's like a curly hair wig and stuff. So I'm just going to be using this. Y'all might call me bootleg, but hey, I do not care. Watch. For those who are like cheap and don't want to go to the store, or probably don't got the money to go to the damn store for some hair, use what you got. You might want to have a mirror and stuff. I'm gonna use this comb to, of course, just comb out my hair. This tail comb to be able to do the parts. A scrunchie just to hold the hair that hasn't been yet sectioned and all that. So right now it is currently, what time is it? It's 3:24. So I'm pretty sure, guys, like, I'm pretty sure that I'm probably not going to finish. Like, cause I don't want to be tired all the rest of the day, but I definitely want to do something different with my hair. So I have like a mirror in front of me, which is good, so I can just know what I'm doing. Okay, so now I got my little section of hair. I'm just gonna comb through it. I need to do my ends, y'all. It's been a long minute. Now, since I have my section, I'm going to be cutting up the hair, and I'm gonna be using this. So I'm gonna have like 2 different strands of weave or whatever. So you're gonna have 2. You're gonna know why. So you're gonna use one of the strands or whatever. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna grab your natural hair, and you're gonna get this. You're gonna wrap it as if you're about to do a braid, and you're just gonna braid. Basically, what's the word? Plaits. So it can like rip on to your hair. So once you have it like braided on there and you feel like it's like secured on and stuff, you're gonna literally get your natural hair and split it into those 2 sections like the twist, and you're just gonna start wrapping. So you're gonna get this weave now, and you're gonna add it on by doing this and make it into 2 so you can wrap it. You're just gonna wrap it so it can just naturally like fall on. And at the end, I'm just wrapping my finger around it to like lock it. And this is what I got so far. Oh, for this method, because I don't want my hair like too long because I don't have that much hair and stuff. So for this, and I did not use a rubber band. And if you want, if it's sliding down, then just scoot it back up. So this is the way if you don't want to put gel in your hair to like make it not look like big and like fuzzy, and you know, if you feel as if it's gonna like come out and stuff, if you don't want to put no gel. So that's a way. But if you do, then let me show you this way with the gel. I'm just gonna get my finger and I'm just gonna do like a section. I'm getting some of the gel and I'm just gonna like slick them down. Now keep in mind, this is with the gel. So I'm just gonna put this on my hair. I'm gonna get this. I gotta use my hair. So I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it from like the whole thing. Because you want to get as much hair as possible, guys. So get this strand, get another strand. So this is with the gel method. You're gonna wrap it. Alright y'all, so when I mean by wrapping, all I'm doing is that I am literally just braiding my hair until I have the hair like secured on to like my natural hair, and then I immediately just, you know, start twisting my hair into like 2 separate twists, and then all I do is I just add on the weave and stuff. It's just basically the same method that I did with the first one. Okay guys, so literally all I was doing was just the same method, which was just sectioning my hair, adding the weave, you know, twisting up my hair, adding more weave, and doing the roly-poly at the end. So yeah guys, that's all I've been doing, just the same method as you saw before. I ended up stopping like in the morning. Well, I ended up stopping and I ended up continuing in the morning and stuff because your girl got so tired and everything. But yeah, oh my gosh y'all, so I'm so upset. So as I was like editing this, I realized that I did not like record me finishing my hair and stuff, and I'm very upset. So long story short, we're just gonna fast forward to where I'm done with my hair. But yeah, okay, so I finished my hair, guys, and I honestly do not know how I feel about this. Like, I feel like these twists look kind of like a hot mess. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it's just the fact that it's like really different. I don't know how I feel about it still. Like, I was literally just got off the phone with one of my sis, and she was just like, okay, like, what the heck, basically? Because I'm really just sitting here like, what the heck, too? So I'm just gonna try to like do my edges and shit. But the thing is that I know y'all seeing like the little twist, and all I did is that I just got some of the hair and I just like got like a bobby pin and I just inserted through. And then some of them I literally, because listen y'all, let me just say this, I do not plan on having this hairstyle for a very, 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 very long time. I was probably just gonna wear this probably for like 1 or 2 days or whatever and stuff. But I definitely see this as like a natural like Rasta pasta hairstyle. I don't know, maybe like this, maybe wear it like this. I don't know, I really don't know how I feel about it. I mean, let me show y'all what it looks like in the back. And guys, it feels so like loose and stuff, like it feels good because I did not put any rubber bands. And I'm pretty sure it's like easy to take out and shit. Cousin!
Hey, Lana.
Yo, I need an opinion.
You need a what?
I need opinion. So I do my hair, right? I don't know how I feel about it. By the way, say hey to YouTube.
Hey!
I don't know how I feel about my hair right now.
Figure that over. Like, I feel like I look
Wait, are you going to school? You got school today? So I did my hair, and like I was trying to do passion twist, and it ended up turning out like a dashiki what's that thing called? Like Rasta theme. I don't know.
Wait, come closer, because I can't really, like, it's like kind of blurry.
I don't know how I feel about though.
It's like the connection is there. Like, can you like take a picture and send it to me on Snapchat?
Okay, bet. Wait, I think because my ring light. There's no lighting. Okay, I need to go somewhere that has light. Hello, where are you going? Hello, don't forget about us. Okay, guys, so this is what my hair looks like. I finished it, whatever. I don't know how I feel about it. It's like, I don't know what I would call them. I would call them like a Rasta twist. Like a jumbo jungle twist or whatever. There's some like jewelry in it and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. Your girl's gonna be back with more videos, so y'all stay tuned. And that's that. Krista Kiss is out this bit. Bye guys. Give me you guys a Krista Kiss.